Last time I shared the technique of converting images to 3D using Unity's Q3D. In the 3D Pack plugin, there is another way to achieve this, which makes the process more complex but also more flexible. Load an image, generate multi-view images from a single perspective, and then use technologies like IP Adapter T to make these multi-view images clearer. Then generate corresponding normal maps from multi-view images, and finally combine them into a model. This means we can edit individual steps separately. In the first step, generate multi-view images from a single image. Recently, a technology called CharacterGen has emerged which can generate efficient 3D models from a single image. But from this example, it's easy to see that it's very suitable for generating multi-view images from a single image. For the character design, I also did some testing, and it turns out there is an official workflow that perfectly combines CharacterGen with Unique3D. If you're interested in 3D, feel free to give it a try. I'll share updates if there are any new developments. If you've installed the 3D Pack, all the workflows that have appeared in this video up to now should be found in this folder. I didn't deeply modify them, just being able to use them was already very difficult. Navigate to RunningHub, click on AI, or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 1,200 points. Logging in daily will give you an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow for the video. All AI applications that can be started with one click have been deployed online and are now available for online operation and testing.